I came in my room because I just wanted to be able to say that I came in here and got some sun for y'all. Let me see. I don't want this to be too much. Is this too much? It's never too much. It's never too much. Hey. Yeah. Just getting different angles down there. But now I see I can come in here often. Ooh, shit. All right, now it's time to eat.
Long hair. In a world of abandoned items and
open up, you OPN, hit you on BBM.
Anyway, hey you, welcome back to my kitchen, you guys. In this video, I will be cooking. I don't know.
And as mysterious as the source of the blaze, other mysteries began to unfold before the children
One sec.
died.
Pause it because that's my movie. So anyway, in this video, it's Sunday, so I'm cooking. I go to work tomorrow, but I wanted to cook. Lamar got us some seasoned pork chops, so those are in the oven making right now. And I don't know, y'all, he got us a couple of sides, but he got us a pasta side, which I love, because I love me some pasta. I'm getting the water ready for the pasta. What I like to do when I'm cooking is wash my dishes and have like a clean ass kitchen. I mean, yeah. This is the last of my wine. Anyway, so I'm just getting the pasta side ready. I'm gonna be just cleaning up a little bit, and then I'll be back with a clip of our meat in the oven and our sides going. So we're just gonna go ahead and get started. Okay, so the way you make pasta obviously is like warm water and things like that. So I have water in here already. I'm gonna add milk in it when it's hot. I'm gonna add butter in it. I cook with butter all the time. That's like my main ingredient. So I'm kind of like, I'm giving y'all some free fucking like, giving y'all a really free gem right now. I cook with butter, so I'll be putting butter in there, and I'll be putting my seasonings in there and another ingredient while it cooks so we can get it ready for the noodles. And yeah, so I'm gonna just put that stuff in it while it's over here. I don't want to hover the oven area. The island here is big enough, so I'm gonna take about that much butter. And then just a dash, you know what? I'm gonna put salt in here first, and then when it gets like boiling, then I'll add this. You guys, I'm really done good. Like, I'm just recording. I do have a story time. If I'm so cute later, then I'll do my story time. But if I'm not cute, you ain't gonna get story time tonight, okay?
Questions in our case might never be answered. And just not we're going to let children.
This is right where I wanna be.
Let's see. Now taking from there, we're going to
So let's go check on this meat.
Hello, not to management, having you.
Okay. Smells so good, but I want to poke at them. Everything's literally in here. Oh my god.
You my lovely host. There you find solace.
Okay. Everything smells so delicious. It really does. How's it smell? Let's see what Joe's doing. So, you know, checking on everyone. Checking on everyone, baby. Checking on everyone. Let's see what this lighting does in here. Am I intruding? Of course not. Josiah's playing games with his friend. He wants me to get out. Something is between my toes. Let me do. So what did we do today? Today we went to church. Joe and I went to church. Like I said, I work tomorrow. I think the kids are out of school tomorrow, but Josiah told me that, so it's just like, I don't think my son would lie because he knows I'm gonna double check. But also it just shows how out of tune I am with all like school and like knowing the holidays. Like, y'all, we graduated so long ago. I'm a millennial. That should tell you everything you need to know. So yeah, the stuff is smelling good. I'm gonna go check on the water. Here we go. Our water is boiling or whatever, so now I'm gonna just add these. Leave this water on for a little bit and let it like slow boil, because the meat is like really thick and it's like taking it a little longer to cook. So I don't want to put the noodles in there just yet. Which one was the fountain?
It was unfortunate that the situation seemed to be really about to get worse.
Anyway, that's where we're at with the food, and I'll probably be back when I start eating, because it's really not much of anything, really. So I'll just be back when I'm eating, when I plated the stuff. And yeah, y'all can get a thorough look and see what I actually made. Like, all right. Okay, y'all, so I have added some cheese. I have added some cheese in our pasta back there because I wanted to thicken it up. Yeah, I need this to thicken up a little bit. It's kind of not thick. Flip the meat, but I don't know what I should do with the meat. I don't know what I should do with the meat, if I should like add more water to it so it won't dry out. Like, I'm just like afraid of it drying out. That's really my only thing right now with the pork chops in the oven. I'm gonna stop saying meat because clearly, right? I don't know if I'm gonna make the beans. I think we'll just be good with the pasta and the pork chops. It's only me and Lamar eating this. It won't be my son, Avi, because kids don't be knowing what they be missing. I'm preaching to the choir. That's how I was as a child. Like, I didn't eat the shit my mom actually cooked. That was on me. I missed out, but I'm grown now and I know what's up. So I'll be back with the plate. Yeah, because I don't want to prolong this. I want to keep editing and stuff like that. Like I said, today is Sunday. I don't know when I'll be posting this, but thank you so much, you guys, for tuning in. I'm trying to bring that back-to-back content. I'm trying to film different things just to see what you guys like. Let me know if you like these cooking videos. I'm gonna do them anyway. Okay, so now these babies are really cooking. Like, I'll put them on top of the stove here. Because they're really thick, and I've caught salmonella before, bitch. I've caught salmonella before and it has scarred me, and I'm just really iffy when I'm cooking around with chicken and stuff like that, and I just have to leave the chicken or the meat or whatever the meat is, I let it cook for like a little bit, like too long sometimes. But with it being in the oven, I wasn't secure in that cooking thoroughly because it's just so thick. So yeah, now these babies are going, and this time for sure I'll see y'all when I get ready to eat because everything else is finished. Okay, so I have cut a piece off. So you can just see it looks very good and flavorful. I'm almost full. Taste test.
I like those. I bet you Joe will like that.
Of course he would like this. Y'all, this is fucking good. It's good. Okay. Let's lower you so y'all can see my plate. This is lovely. I can literally just bite through that pork chop. It's just missing some bread, but I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna officially close out because I'm ready to just smash, really. I just wanna stop recording so I can smash in peace. The food is fucking bomb as fuck. Thank you guys so much for joining me in my kitchen. Let me know what you think about this content. What would you like from me to maybe cook? I'll let y'all know right now I'm very fucking picky, so I'll say your nay. But thank you so much for joining me in my kitchen, you guys, on this beautiful Sunday. Hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the gym. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.